What is going on, everybody? And this is Joel with Into My GT Entertainment, and I am happy to see y'all with me today. I'm just making a quick little video, vlog style, on Mustang Week, SVE steering wheels, SVE Anniversary Edition wheels and tires for the new Edge, and whatever else comes to mind at the point. So anyway, I just wanted to say, hey, what's up? Glad y'all made it to this video. And Electra has got her old shoes back on, and the reason why is because with the drag setup, it's been raining every afternoon and I can't drive my car. So I said, shit on that, put back the regular tires, I could drive it anywhere. So I think I'm putting the drag setup up for sale again. I'm not buying any more after I get rid of these. I might just get a set of drag radial 20-inch drag radials to put on my normal rims and go about it that way, the right size, like a 305, 315 or something. Maybe, I don't know. But the car to me looks better like this. I guess I'm more for show than go. It will go, not a problem, but I just like the way that this looks a lot better to me than with the drag setup. And then I kept rubbing on everything because the drag setup dropped the car so much, and this raised it up a tad bit more, so now I don't have that problem. So that is the visit with Electra for right now. I did have a little, I guess she was running kind of rough. I did change the spark plugs a couple months ago, and I gapped them a little lower because my tuner told me that I was having spark blowout. But now I kind of split the difference between what Whipple says and what he says, and it seems to be running fine now. Like I said, it was just, I guess, too much of a gap or less of a gap for it, so it was running kind of rough, but it's doing okay now. But let me show you, because I said in my intro that I will be talking about Mustang Week, steering wheels, and wheels. So let me tell you what I was talking about the steering wheel. Last video I said that, you know, I would have to invest in something that makes return or whatever. So what it is, SVE came out with a new steering wheel. I put the link in the description with the model number. And then if y'all want to pick one up, if y'all know Derek, go to Derek and he'll have a link for that particular product. Just trying to help him out. Like I said, his YouTube is 100,000 to my, 1,800. So, he'll reach a lot more people his way. But like I said, let me show you what I did here. This is the new SVE flat bottom steering wheel for the S197s. It takes the controls off your other one, the airbag, and then just gives you the flat bottom. So you can see it has the Alcantara inserts with the black stripe. There is also a red stripe one. I like the black because, my interior is black. If I could have got it in white, that would have been awesome. But nonetheless, that's what it is, and it goes good with the seats because with the California Special, it has the Alcantara inserts. So that kind of has a good flow to it. Now, I did notice when I drove it, it drives fine, but it messes with your head because if you're used to a round steering wheel and you just, slide it with your hand to turn or whatever, it's bumpy because, like I said, everything is bolstered back here. It has notches and then, of course, the flat bottom. So it made it, you get used to it. It's just a little different at the time. So yeah, that was the steering wheel. It's I want to say it's like a $300 product. I think they have it on sale right now for $250. Install is like a 20-minute install. They have it on the website how to do it. I was going to do a video for it, but we installed it so fast it was just like, okay, whatever. But that was with the steering wheel. So hold on a second, let me change venues real quick and then we'll talk about the next subject. Alright guys, the next thing I said was anniversary edition wheels for the 2-valve. So I have those right here. I did pick the ones that I wanted with y'all's help actually. So let me show you what I got here. These are 17-inch rims. The top ones are 215/35 17s, and these are 275/40 17s. The back ones, excuse me. Yeah, the back ones have a deep lip in it. So I think they're going to look awesome. It gets rid of the black, it breaks it up a little bit, and like I said, it's definitely meaty. Now, granted, the 2-valve does not have a lot of power, so I don't think these tires are ever going to wear out unless I have an alignment problem. And the bottom ones, this one, I can't really show you because I have it covered up, but it's got a new set of tires now. New set of tires, new everything. I got the lug nuts somewhere around here, so we are good to go with that. Still waiting on the car to get the shocks done. Like I said, my buddy's had a issue with other cars that have blocked the driveway and stuff, and you know, can't really do too much about that. So I'm a patient guy, and like I said, it's not necessary for me to have the car right now. I mean, I like to drive it, don't get me wrong, especially when I'm buying stuff for it. So we're gonna go ahead and tackle that when we get to. So anyway, we got those wheels now for the 2-valve. Shadow's got some new shoes, so we'll be sporting those when we get it. Now, y'all saw I took my drag radials off. Here they are, in perfect condition, everything. I do have them up for sale. You can look at my Instagram, Facebook, whatever, and they're on there. And I have them also on my Craigslist in Richmond, Virginia. So if y'all are interested in a good set of drag stars, well, these are race stars, excuse me. There you go, race stars. I have a set. Like I said, they come. Like I said, you can see the tires are new. They were on the car for a month or so, and most of the time it was in the garage because all it would do was rain in Richmond. They're great. They do what they're supposed to. They definitely hook. Like I said, I got 720 horsepower, 16, whatever, and they grip you and go. No problems with that. They come with the TPS sensors in them already, and I do have the shaft lug nuts, the closed in ones, so the whole thing's there together. So if y'all are interested in anything like that, hit me up, DM me, and like I said, we might be able to work something out. I do have a price out for them already, but if y'all want them shipped or whatever, we'll have to figure out, you know, how much that costs on top of what they are, because I don't want to pay $200 or $300 for shipping, because these things do weigh a little bit when we put together. So yeah, we'll go over to the next topic I had, and we'll see you in a minute. All right, and the last little tidbit I wanted to talk about was Mustang Week. Last year we went down, you know, for 3 days. We went from Wednesday to Saturday, and me and Pam got our own hotel room, and we didn't stay with anybody, but you know, we hung out with our friends. This year we got our own house. We have a couple 4 friends staying with us, and like I said, it's gonna be a little different this year. And then all our friends are staying pretty much in the same area, probably like a mile and a half apart from each other. It's just, you know, it's hard to get 40 people in one place, so you know, we all just broke it down and everybody stayed with their own little groups. But what I was curious about, when y'all go to Mustang Week or when y'all travel with other families, do y'all do like a separate fund for like food, like the house gets X amount of dollars for food and y'all just shop for the week with that, or do y'all just buy like the snacky stuff and then everybody's kind of relied on their own thing for their dinners and whatever? Like, so we're not really worried about dinner food. because there's gonna be so much going on in the evenings that, you know, we're probably gonna be out anyway. But, you know, breakfast stuff and lunch stuff and snacks and stuff like that, we were just curious, you know, because we suggested it to our friends and stuff, you know, to do like a little, I guess a little pot of money, you know, like $50 or something, you know, a group, a couple or a person. So that way once we get down there, we can hit the local grocery store or whatever and, you know, get that stuff, and then it's something that you don't have to worry about later. You know, it's something that you have already, and it's already put aside, so you can take that out of, okay, well, I need money for this or that. The other, you don't need that because it's already put aside. But that's just our opinion and how we like to kind of plan ahead and do different ways and do different things. So, like I said, our house is already paid for, we're ready to go. I wish it was time now because we're all excited to go. And like I said, it's going to be roughly 20 of us going down there at one time. Going to be me, Sinister, Brandon, my Brandon, Zach, Kobe, Derek, Jordan, Cheyenne, to name a few. And you still got the Trishas, the you know, you got a ton of people, Teddy, you got everybody going down. So it's gonna be an interesting trip down there. Like I said, I don't know who's gonna be the first ticket. Somebody will get it. Somebody's gonna have a ticket, get arrested, do something crazy. Don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and videotape that, put that shit out. Like I said, I'm taking my PC down with me, and I'm gonna try to vlog every day down there, just to have some content. And I know Derek's gonna try to do the same thing. And like I said, Sinister staying with us. If y'all haven't seen his channel, check out Sinister Productions. And he has a GT350 that he just purchased and been working on. So check out his stuff. So like I said, it's going to be interesting. So like I said, get back with me and let me know what y'all do with when y'all go with groups and people down there, and how y'all end up breaking it down and doing it, or do y'all just kind of fend for yourselves? I don't know. So I hope to see y'all on my next video. Maybe I'll shoot for something for Sunday. I work Sundays, so I don't know, but maybe I'll do something Saturday. But anyway, get back to me, drop the comments, let me know what y'all think, what y'all will do, any concerns, anything that y'all want to see. Like I said, I'm trying to do more on this channel. I'm not the best at it, and like I said, I'm not monetizing, so it's not like, you know, I'm gonna make $10,000 off of a freaking video. Even if it goes freaking viral, if I see someone jump, it's not gonna matter for me. But like I said, go ahead and do what y'all gotta do. Hit me up, tell your friends, and let's make this channel grow, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you down there. Peace.